Well, it is the nation's largest healthcare outreach, and it is coming up this Friday and Saturday. The Health Wagon's M7 event will be returning for the 26th year to Wise County for a free healthcare expo at the Health Wagon facilities in Wise, Virginia. Joining us this morning with more on the event and another one that's soon to follow are Dr. Teresa Tyson and Dr. Paula Collins from the Health Wagon. It's great to have you ladies with us again.
Thank you so much for having us. This is our yearly event that we have, and it was formerly the Wise County Remote Area Medical that we had, and we now have rebranded Move Mountains Medical Mission. It still has all the wonderful assets that we had before. We have medical, we have a whole host of medical, everything from specialty care to diagnostics such as ultrasounds, echo, cardiograms, vision, hearing. It's very all comprehensive. You can save thousands of dollars on health care. Yeah. And then with the eye services, we have comprehensive eye exams, and then we will be mailing glasses if individuals need that as well.
What an amazing opportunity.
Everything.
And we're going to have fast track for the vision too. But we have 7 actually missions that we have. So Move Mountain Medical Missions, M7, we have the vision, we have medical, we have dental, we have behavioral health, we have the social economic, mental health, and pastoral support. Wow. And it comes from Psalms, for I look to the Lord for which my help comes from. So I kind of want to explain everybody. So yes. You take all of those 7 and we can basically do anything this weekend. I said outside of diagnostic tests like CTs and MRIs, we have it there.
We have it covered.
And you have moved mountains over these last couple of decades.
Every year we see really people's lives saved every year. And I just wanted to stress out, I know a lot of people think, oh, well, maybe I don't have insurance, or I don't, I have high co-pays, high deductibles. Everybody can come to this event, and if we do find something wrong, we will not leave you. We will get that referral process started, and we will find a resource for you, because I think it's always a fear of people, oh, I don't want to go because I might find something wrong. So there is a time to really take advantage of your health. We're removing all the barriers here. Like Paula was saying, we have so much comprehensive services. The best place to look is probably on Facebook, because I know we're trying to talk fast and get a lot of these services in, but we have a laundry list of services that people can take advantage of, all free of charge, and this can save you thousands of dollars in health care.
And even if you have insurance, it doesn't matter, because people now, everything is kind of catastrophic insurance. But the main things we want to know is those ultrasounds and echocardiograms. We're going to be doing the life scanning screenings where we check the aorta, we check the carotid, the aorta, we do ABIs and EKGs, and this is to screen for heart disease and cut down on heart disease and stroke. All this is free. We have Dr. Culp, we have Dr. Carey, a world-renowned actually psychiatrist that's bringing counselors. We have massage therapy, acupuncture, free hearing aids, free visions. We have a fast track, and this year we have included too, we're doing colon cancer screening and trying to get people, we have the test to give out, the FIT test, but this is in honor of investigator Michael Holbrook. He actually died of colon cancer, and we wanted to use this as a way for awareness. And we have Team Trevor, and people with going to Team Trevor or that wants just an eyeglass prescription can go through a fast track. And Team Trevor is in honor of Trevor Easternly, who died suddenly at 13 of an undetected heart condition, and his mom has taken this on to make sure it doesn't happen to anyone else. He was an athlete. It was totally unexpected.
Yes. Oh my goodness. And hearing the two of you talk, you can tell just how passionate they are about making sure that everybody understands the services that are offered for 2 days. You also, we're going to give everybody some information, because we have a lot of information to hand out. First of all, this is the information on that 2-day medical mission. The M7 tells you everything you need to know, all the different services starting at 7 a.m. And then also want to give you this one, because they're doing veterinary services, but you do have to make an appointment for this, right?
Yes, and they are pretty much full, and the veterinarian services does not include spay and neutering. It's vaccines, well checks, and if your pet is sick, we'll have a veterinarian on premises.
Yes, and some like flea and tick prevention and some of those basic things like that. But we can get them into resources where they can get spay and neuter.
And that's important too, that if you you can at least make the contact and have the resources. You also have a back to school bash real quick, coming up.
Yes. It is in honor of David Mead. That is Paula's son that we lost him a few years back, and he was our operations director. And so Paula does this in honor of him and Daxton Shane, his son. And this is a wonderful, wonderful event where Paula, she works year-round on this to get all these backpacks filled with supplies and name brand beautiful clothing. I mean, shoes, Nikes, just wonderful, wonderful. So she does this in honor of David Shane, and it is absolutely wonderful. And we had over 2,000 people showed up in 4 hours last year that we did it, and just a wonderful, beautiful mission that Paula has set out to honor her son.
All right, there is that information on that. Ladies, lots of information. Again, thank you so much for the incredible work you do.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you.
And all you all do.